This is Rimsha Sadaf. This is Pranati of class 9. We are from Krishnavini Talent School, Ramannapet.
Today we are here in this Waste to Wealth exhibition 2024-25 to convert the waste into wealth. So we have taken and chosen the topic sawdust.
You know that carpenters nowadays are doing the furniture and the waste produced was sawdust. It was just thrown away and in the soil, and also it was burned.
When we burn the sawdust, CO2 and CO is produced, which is also known as carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. These two are produced and it will affect our environment, and also it will pollute the environment.
CO2 and CO are the greenhouse gases, right? When the increase in CO2 and CO causes, global warming happens. So to stop global warming, we should have to do these such type of things.
We have to convert the sawdust into these type of flower pots and these type of bowls and bouquets and also trays, household items, and also these type of bouquets and flower pots we can prepare, and also we can also prepare the decorative items. For example, everyone nowadays are trying to attract their house by decorative items. They are using papers. Instead of it, we can use like this different shapes we can prepare and we can also use.
Nowadays when the guests arrive, nowadays people are giving that only plastic bouquets. So plastic bouquets, and they are taking it off there, and it causes pollution to the soil again when they throw that plastic into the soil. So these are eco-friendly bouquets and also chemical-free bouquets.
So now that process to prepare this is very easy, and it is very healthy to the environment.
And also it can help to earn money. Nowadays SHG people, మహిళలు కూడా వాళ్ళ దాంట్లో కూడా వాళ్ళు ఎర్న్ చేసుకోగలుగుతారు మనీ.
And the materials needed to prepare these are vinegar and corn flour and also some water and this sawdust.
We should have to boil the water first and pour the corn flour in it, and after few seconds we have to stop that, and also we have to add vinegar to it, and after sometimes 2 minutes after, we should have to mix this paste and also this sawdust together and make a duff like structures.
Then we have to take our favorite shaped bowl and we have to keep a plastic cover to it, and we have to paste the material which we get. We have to paste it very well, and we have to dry it under the sunlight for 3 to 4 days.
Then it becomes very strong.
And if we want to make it attractive, we can also use the natural paints, not chemical paints. We should make it chemical free, so that's why we should not use chemical. Only we have to use natural. And for children, mainly children using plastic toys, they are playing with plastic toys, and also they are eating that. But instead of it, we can also make this corn flour. We can different shapes, different chess playings, and also different.
And nowadays in our nurseries, now the government is providing plants through nurseries, but those nurseries having polythene covers underneath. So instead of polythene covers, we can use these type of things.
And also this is very cheap. It means we can get this from we can get this sawdust from the carpenters, because they are throwing that which is we are useful. So finally we want to conclude that we should use this well. We should use this waste. It means sawdust we are wasting. Instead of it, we have to use it, and also we can prepare these different. And these bouquets are also going to buried into the soil. And when we add water, it gives nutrition to the plants. So we should use it. We should not waste it.
And also with this process, with this experiment, it concludes that waste is not wasted, accrued, and also it is taken as wealth, right? With this we can also take we can also earn money by giving.
Thank you.